Hello, guys. Good day, good afternoon, good night again. This is your boy Andy Lemkhize, RSA, guys. I'll be giving you the feedback on what happened to the market today. Remember, guys, as I told you that indices they are 70% fundamental and they are 30% technical. So, guys, bear in mind, put that thing in your mind, write it down if you want to write it down. So guys, let's look at what happened on USDT. USDT was pushing up. USDT was pushing up yesterday. It's pushed up and then it's completed the trend, the trend today. I think it was earlier in the morning. And then when the London session opened, it started to drop, goes down, started to go down. It's even broke our previous low, of which is our support. Now it has to be a resistance. So it must test and then continue down again. We're still gonna see a drop on the USD. Let me go to Nasdaq and see. You're still gonna see a drop also on Nasdaq. You're still gonna see a drop also on Nasdaq. Let me go to daily to find a clear support. We have two, but the major one, there is the major one. Let me show you the major supports. Let me show you the major support on Nasdaq. I'm still gonna go to details, guys. Why did indices drop like this? Still gonna go to details. Why did indices drop like this? As I mentioned that it's 30% technical and it's 70% fundamental. So yeah, guys. So you still have to have a retest. It's a retest. This is the bigger time frame. Then push down and find a major zone. This is daily chart. This is daily chart on Nasdaq, guys. So whenever something is broken, it needs to be tested and then continue until we find a strong support or resistance. As you can see on USDT, USDT is still going down. USDT is still gonna push until it's find this zone, of which is supported by what? Is supported by a trend line also. So we have our zone here on USDT. When we get here, we'll push up again to test. As you can see here, we went down, we broke our support, then we found a new support, then it's push up to test it and then continue again down. So yeah, guys, let's get into details on fundamentals, guys. Let's get into details on fundamentals. If you can follow our Telegram channel, you'll see every type of news that we post. We post every feedback on what is happening in the markets. Guys, do you remember what happened last week on Netflix? Netflix dropped. Netflix are dropped because of that report that they gave. That people now they need to stop sharing their password and what they will block them. So subscribes from Netflix they dropped. Another thing, the investors, directional investors, is because of that message of a nuclear weapon from Russia. So it's kept the investors. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that. You have a network problem. I was talking about the fundamental why it's dropped like this. It's because the investors got worried about the COVID surge in China. And then another thing regarding the war in Ukraine between Russia, because Russia sent a message, said they sent a message threatening about a nuclear war weapon they're gonna spread around. So that's why I did the indices job like this. Guys, please make sure that you download CNPC app. CNPC app is the most important app that you can use for your fundamentals. And then another thing that you need to download also, you need to look at the news at thing on the CV 410 or 409. It's called Bloomberg. Guys, I'll keep on updating you what is happening to the markets. Another thing, we had a bad day today in the office. The reason why on nasdaq, so we thought nasdaq is gonna push up, but it didn't push up, and then boom, we got a surprise by news, and then nasdaq just went down. And another thing, what I'm gonna show nasdaq, that nasdaq didn't complete the trend. Nasdaq was supposed to come here and push down, so it didn't complete the trend because of the negative fundamental, then just push down. So guys, it's very, 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 very important to look at the fundamentals. Fundamentals, they help a lot when it comes to indices, when trading indices. Another thing is very good to stick to your strategy rules. We are all human with feelings. Sometimes it's easy to get emotional and break the rules, but never ever revenge a trade, guys. Use a proper risk management. Today we learned a hard lesson at the office, but what I'm guaranteeing is that we're gonna recover everything. So guys, please stick to the rules of your strategy. In whatever you do, stick to your rules of your strategy. Don't forget to click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram, Bank Trader in Andile_RSA. Guys, thank you very much. Good night. Sleep well. I'll give you another update tomorrow. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you.